Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Geiser. I am currently working with emotional support students within the school environment in a school-based behavioral health program. The kids I work with range from ages 5 years old to 18 years old. These kids are diagnosed with a wide range of mental health disorders as well as neurodevelopmental disorders. My position is to work with the kids during the school day to be able to keep their emotions and outbursts under control so that they can learn in the least restrictive environment. I also work with these kids one-on-one to teach them coping skills and the skills to try to control their emotional outbursts, and skills they need to try to calm themselves down. As far as my beliefs on the mental health diagnosis, I believe that mental health diagnosis is really just something that can benefit an insurance company. Not so much benefit, but is necessary for an insurance company. It seems that I'm seeing more so now people or even the kids using their diagnosis as an excuse to not do something. Instead of saying, they're saying, we can't do this because I have anxiety, or I can't do this because I get depressed. Instead of what they should be saying is, this thing I'm doing is very hard and I'm getting anxious. What can I do to overcome it? Having a diagnosis and knowing your diagnosis can be helpful in understanding why you are acting the way you are acting. But as for clinician treating the mental health disorder, it's basically just treating the symptoms of whatever the patient is going through. So I don't really see why you need a diagnosis, but it does help with being able to find solutions for a treatment plan. Don't diagnose my clients currently, but because of my experience within my field, my lead clinician does allow me to sit in on the meetings and discussions with the psychiatrist, mostly because I am with the students more than the psychiatrist and my lead clinician, and I'm able to offer my input towards a diagnosis. This is becoming a really good opportunity for me, so I can pursue my master's degree.